Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead with an after the doctor's visit tea break. Okay, um, I had a nurse practitioner and a doctor, and the nurse practitioner, my doctor being very sensitive to the fact that my last three doctors have all been women, um, he had the nurse practitioner do my pelvic exam and he had me slotted in for an hour. So we went through a lot of my medical history and why I burst into tears when he told me that the waiting list to see a gynecologist is a year long. And I can't, I'm not going to last a year. And he said, no, we're going to get you in a month. I said, I can't last a month. Right. So, he's got me on a fairly low dose of tramadol, which is taking the edge off. At this point, I would be, if this was without the tramadol, I'd be writhing on the floor. Ask Howie. But the pain is there, but it's manageable, and that's all I need. Um, so I have to go for blood work, and I have to go for a CT scan because he said the MRI did not go up high enough to cover all the area of my pain. So I have to go for a CT scan someday next week. And that's about it. Looks like, I told him to make sure that when he did get me in to see a gynecologist, that it was the gynecological surgeon, because we all know that I need to have my uterus yanked and my pelvic region inside rotor-rooted, right? So apparently I crack him and the nurse practitioner up. I had them in stitches, but I couldn't understand why, I'm there kind of making faces and contorting in pain, and we're having a discussion and they're laughing. I don't realize that I'm a stand-up comedian apparently when I'm in pain. It's a defense mechanism, right? So that's what's going on. Unfortunately, what this means for y'all is that my January vacation has had to come early. Other than live streams and tea breaks and the occasional video, I'm not going to be able to work for a while. I may be able to work on my reading channel, which I found out that I had locked myself out of, so that's all back to normal. I will be able to do some reading, but sitting like I am right now. If you notice, I'm a bit on a tilt here. Sitting the way I am right now is not comfortable, and editing audio takes a lot of time in this chair. So you're going to see me. I'm going to try and do a daily live stream or a daily tea break between now and the end of, after the holidays. But far as working videos go, I'm just not up to snuff. I can't even unload and load the dishwasher. How am I going to do baking videos, right? So I have made my potato candy, but it hasn't been finished yet. And you'll see that. That is a video that is coming. Okay. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead saying, I have to get out of this chair and go, get myself in a supine position so that this pain will actually will lessen more. If that makes any sense. Must be the medical marijuana. I love you guys. And every day for the next few days or over the holidays, if my speed test says I'm good to go, we will do a live stream, usually around lunchtime. All right? Take care. God bless. And God bless you for your prayers and keep them coming, because this is fibromyalgia, arthritis, fibroid. Now I got the endos back. It's just a cluster fart of nonsense. I love you guys.